Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is day 14 of the 30 pages later creative sketchbook challenge to nurture our soul and our creativity. Actually, this is the day 9 of the video process when I was recording way back in May, but to have some kind of cohesiveness in my sketchbook challenge, I had to push this video to day 14. And also, I am so glad that from now on we are back to iPhone 11 footage and we don't have to deal with shaky, grainy videos anymore. As you can see, the supplies have changed because finally I've got the confidence to take the format of spreading paint directly on the substrate, which is the material, using a card again this time. And I have bought not artist grade acrylic paints this time. These are still student grade, but it is solving my purpose for now, and that's what I'm going ahead with. And these are wood panels that I'm working on right now, which I picked up from Dollarama, because if you don't know, we are new immigrants to Canada and I am still finding ways to source supplies which are not very expensive. So this is what I'm going ahead with. And as you can see, I brought in another board because there was too much paint on my, so to say, the tool to apply paint, and I don't like wasting paint at all. So it's the exact same format, just that now I'm being more conscious of how I spread the paint across the page so that it looks cohesive and it looks balanced to the eye. For creating 3 of these pieces, I took under 10 minutes because I was working on multiple pieces at the same time. I have created a time lapse to make it a little faster for you guys, so it's coming out to be under 5 minutes, but the actual time taken was under 10 minutes to finish these. Are these complete? No, these are not complete pieces. This is the first layer, and I'm sure I will be adding more to them. But this entire format was inspired by the Australian artist Kirsten Jackson, who I follow on Instagram, and she has her courses available online. So I took one of her courses, which was about 50 Canadian dollars, and I saw how she works and I got inspired through that and started working on this. But I love her work, and this is nowhere close, obviously, because I've just started doing it. The point being that I might not be a big artist, so to say, but I do invest in buying courses and learning from them and evolving. And that is what I wanted to share with all of you, that if you really want to do something as a self-taught artist, you surely can. There is nothing stopping you at whatever age you are to start painting or embroidery or whatever it is that sparks joy for you. So think about it. And once again, if you think my videos are of any value, please think of subscribing and liking the video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Lots of love from Sam and Stella.